Looking for the perfect way to spread joy this Christmas? A gift basket can be the ultimate personalized present. Whether it's for a close friend, family member, or colleague, a well-thought-out basket can leave a lasting impression. Let's explore creative Christmas gift basket ideas that are thoughtful, stylish, and oh so memorable. First up, the cozy winter basket. Picture this: a soft blanket, a mug, gourmet hot chocolate mix, and marshmallows. Add a small scented candle for that warm, festive feel. This basket screams relaxation and is perfect for someone who loves to snuggle up during the chilly season. For the foodies in your life, why not assemble a gourmet delights basket? Fill it with artisan cheeses, crackers, chocolates, and maybe even a bottle of wine or sparkling cider. Include a handwritten note suggesting a pairing, like, "Try this brie with the cranberry chutney." It's a classy and indulgent way to say, "I care." Next, for the skincare enthusiasts, a self-care spa basket is a winner. Add items like bath salts, face masks, a loofah, and a luxurious body lotion. Tie everything together with a plush towel or a mini robe. This thoughtful basket encourages relaxation and shows you value their me time. Kids can't be left out, of course. A kid's Christmas fun basket could include coloring books, crayons, small toys, and holiday-themed treats. Maybe toss in a Christmas storybook or a DIY ornament kit. It's a delightful way to keep the little ones entertained and full of holiday cheer. Lastly, how about a DIY craft basket for the creative souls? Include supplies like paints, brushes, craft paper, or even knitting yarn and needles. For added inspiration, add a small book of craft ideas or a tutorial card. It's a heartfelt way to inspire their creativity and bring them joy. So, whether you're creating something cozy, indulgent, or playful, these gift basket ideas are sure to bring smiles and spread the holiday spirit. Get ready to impress your loved ones this Christmas.